Hi there and welcome to my channel. In this video we will take a look at the Yeelight Smart Wireless BLE switch. This switch is new from Yeelight, available from various Chinese shops. I got it from AliExpress for around $8 US. This switch is using BLE, that is Bluetooth 5.0, and that means it requires BLE gateway. BLE or Bluetooth gateway functionality is available either separately by using standalone BLE gateway, by using media multimode gateway, but is also incorporated in many Yeelight products like ceiling lights, bed heater, or bedside lamp too. The size of this button is pretty similar to the car one, and we'll compare them side by side at the end of the video. Now let's see how it is installed. First of all, you have to take out the insulator in order to enable the battery. There is a small hole and you'll need a SIM eject tool, staple, paper clip or such in order to press it. So press and hold until the small LED starts to blink for a few seconds. As you can see, this one is not added as standard Zigbee device to the gateway, as child devices. You need to go to the main screen of Mi Home and press the plus button at the upper right hand corner, and if you have Bluetooth enabled on your phone, it should find the bottom automatically. Then the app will ask you to press the button so it can continue the setup, and from there on it is all standard installation like everything in Mi Home. You get to select the location of the device, change its default name to something more meaningful to you, agree to the user agreement and privacy policy, and that's it. The device will appear under all your BLE gateway devices a bit later. The settings are pretty standard, similar to all other devices. You can change location of the device, rename it, set security, which basically means put password in Mi Home, and add it to home screen or update the firmware. This switch supports 3 standard actions, which are press, double press, and long press, so you can assign up to 3 actions to it. Pretty standard. After a couple of minutes, the switch is visible under BLE gateways. Now let's see how fast it reacts in practice and run the automation we just created. Finally, let's put it side by side with the similar Aqara button. As you can see, it is slightly taller and a bit smaller. Thanks for watching, and if you like my channel, please subscribe.